Our topic is function of algorithms. What's machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence whose objective is to develop techniques that permit computers to learn. It also allows application to be more accurate when predicting outcomes in data without having to program it. It will not affect natively. Instead, it will make the workload become easier. Okay, but what's an algorithm, you may ask? Algorithms are a sequence of instructions which eventually corroborates the successful realization of specific task. Each algorithm is designed for different data. Each data has unique characteristics. Some algorithms are made for decision making, others for separating data, while the most used are for predicting data and or helping you arrange it. Why is the usage of the correct type of algorithm important to define the efficiency and margin error in the model depending on the situation? Well, we have three objectives. The first one is knowledge, explaining why choosing the right algorithm matters. Importance, teaching the students the importance of it because algorithms allow us to understand and optimize processes. And efficiency, showing the efficiency of algorithms based on each scenario. And some relevant information is that machine learning has become an important tool for the goal of capitalizing artificial intelligence. It has also become one of the most important tools nowadays for computing and e-commerce.
The research level is we use descriptive approach, measuring concepts as well as components. Quantitative type due to the usage of statistics and the analysis of results. Cause and effect approach determined by the causes of a variable affecting the result of another. Correlational research, relation between our variables, and quantitative, measuring numbers and break values. We used number of contacts, pre and post, because we measure the effectiveness of a program. The time was prospective because we focused on the reaction or effect of the model in the future. And the type was experimental because it measures the effect of our one variable and to the other. The population example were penguins, which are classified in species, island, sex, and physical characteristics. The variables we used was the independent type of algorithm, dependent efficiency and margin of error, and the control variables were the datasets and the model. The material we used was the Microsoft website, a second device, and a laptop and computer.
Okay. The model or experimental design starts with the model being created and run with the previously mentioned datasets, which are the penguins, which then it's going to be split into sample of all data using the SRS method with around 10 to 100 subjects and taken for a run, where the algorithm will help us to determine and organize the data on how many penguins are classified incorrectly or are hybrid between species. Split data will be connected to two different functions. These are train model and score model. Attached to the train model, we'll have our algorithm, which is in this case, the two-class neural network. The final function where you can see the data is the evaluate model. It will give you the information organized differently, and it will give you graphs and statistics. Our research objective is to determine whether different algorithms will affect the efficiency and margin error of a predicted dataset.
Well, based on the results obtained, it can be seen that the use of a two-class neural network turns out to be the most efficient algorithm and the one with the fewest false positives, where the precision is also very close to 1.0. This shows that the run was accurate and mostly with few or no errors. Furthermore, we made different tests using a different algorithm, but with a similar purpose. However, since the algorithm was not the most suitable for this work, the precision was reduced by almost 0.100. We made three different conclusions, but the most important is the first one, where according to the results obtained from the experiment, we can conclude that the two-class neural network is the most accurate when it comes to predicting and separating data. The hypothesis is supported by these results, since choosing the correct algorithm will minimize the margin of error. The data error may be a possibility, therefore the data should be revised and the experiment run again. For our recommendations, the most important one is the first one, where it's essential to maintain order and constant monitoring on the project because it forms a large part of the results obtained. And for future work, we stated that with the information obtained, we will make different types of experiments in order to learn more about the machine, and where we can also analyze this information to have a better understanding of its behavior and operation.
Thank you.